Hi guys. Now in pre-launch, if you pay for your membership, you are a paid pending member. But after the launch day, you'll become a fully paid member. Then you will immediately see if your back office advertising credits and traffic balance. As you can see, this account is a fully paid advanced member. So he got 5,000 advertising credits to advertise banner ads and text ads inside our platform. Plus he got 500 traffic balance, 500 active views that he can advertise for the visit and earn or watch and earn through the Advertise page. So let's see how to advertise and get real audience, real viewers visiting your website or watching your video. Let's head over to the traffic ads page on the left and click on Advertise. Now you can see here the advertising option. You have a specific package to get views for your website. And if you scroll down, you can see also video packages to get real views on your video. And everything is explained on this page. So let's now advertise to get 250 active viewers to my website that I am promoting. So I click on Buy This Package. As you can see here, I'm promoting my website, so 250 active viewers will watch it for a duration of 20 seconds per each view. The price is $10 and the traffic that I'm getting is 250 views. So I will put the ad title here, like Brainwave, for example. I will put my referral link here or the link I'm promoting, and then my account balance is $10. So I can pay with my account balance for the $10, and my traffic balance that I got with my membership is 500 views while I need only 250 views. So actually, I can use as a payment method my own account balance, which is $10 that I have. Or I can use the traffic balance I have, which is 500 views, which is double this package. So it will deduct 250 views from my traffic balance that I got with my membership. So I'm going to use today my traffic balance and click on Buy Now. Okay, thank you. Your order has been saved. Now please wait for approval. So the team now is going to approve the order, which takes like several hours, and it will be approved, and you can see it later in the Visit and Earn page here, like this ad. In a few hours will be available here. And people can just click on View Ads here in order to see the ad. And once the 20 seconds are passed, they can claim their earning right away. So you are promoting your website, getting real views, and people are earning to watch your ad. And maybe some of them are interested in your offer and get it. Click on Confirm Earning, and as you can see, it works like that. This is how simple it is to place an ad, and thank you for watching.